I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a iCloud album with any of your friends.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first, you're going to make sure that your shared albums is enabled. So open your settings and then scroll all the way down to apps and then find photos. Open the photos settings. Now scroll down and make sure this shared albums toggle is turned on or is green. Now that we've allowed shared albums on our phone, we're going to create a shared album. So open your Photos app and let's select a couple images. Let's say these two videos are going to be in my shared album. Next, we're going to use this share icon on the bottom left. And next, we're going to scroll down here and click Add to Shared Album. Now you can add a comment if you'd like to, add it to any particular shared album, but we're going to click New Shared Album here. And we're going to create the name as Test. Now you can add the people that you want to share this with right now, or you can add them later on, but we're going to just click Create. And now we've published our shared album.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.